Golf is pretty established, 33 left, 6 miles.
Bird 13 Golf Super Boston Tower. 1 departure Friday arrival, runway 33 left, clear to land.
Clear land with 1 departure, Bird 13 Golf.
Beaver 13 Golf Super, expect to roll to the end.
Okay, thank you.
(1569), contact Boston dispatch.
Departure America 1569.
Shamrock 13 Kilo Heavy Boston Tower. Traffic's on a 4-mile final, cross runway 27 at Charlie.
Cross 27 on Charlie, copy the traffic, Shamrock 13 Kilo.
Shamrock 13 Kilo Heavy, runway 33 left, line up and wait, traffic landing runway 27.
Line up and wait, copy the landing traffic and line up on 33 left, Shamrock 13 Kilo.
Delta 512, contact Boston departure.
For departure, have a great day, Delta 512.
Shamrock 13 Kilo Heavy, runway 33 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 33 left, Shamrock 13 Kilo.
Alaska 356, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 at Charlie. Keep your speed up, traffic's going to cross with you.
Alright, keep speed up, cross 27, Charlie, Alaska 356.
Chipper 187, Boston Tower, keep it tight on Alaska, cross runway 27 on Charlie, traffic's on a 3-mile final.
Crossing 27 on Charlie, Chipper 187.
Protect 5615 on Echo, cross runway 4 right, hold short of runway 4 left, and contact ground point 9er.
Cross 4 right on Echo, hold short 4 left, contact ground point 9 for Sierra 5615.
Shamrock 13 Kilo Heavy, contact Boston departure.
Boston, Shamrock 13 Kilo Heavy, good day.
Clear for takeoff, 32 left, T34.
Iberia 6166 Heavy, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 on Charlie.
27 on Charlie, cross Iberia 166 Heavy.
2697, runway 33 left, line up and wait, traffic 4-mile final, runway 27.
9.33 left on 2697.
Order 2946, Boston Tower, runway 4 right, intersection Charlie, line up and wait, traffic departing runway 33 left.
Line up and wait, traffic departing order 2946.
Delta 112 Heavy, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 on Charlie without delay, traffic's on a 3-mile final. Chipper 1231, wind 34015, gust 23, runway 33 left, clear for takeoff.
33 left, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 1231.
112 Heavy, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 on Charlie.
Cross 27 on Charlie, Delta 112 left.
Iberia 6166 Heavy, runway 33 left, line up and wait, traffic 4-mile final, runway 27.
Line up and wait, 33 left, Iberia 6166 Heavy.
2697, contact Boston departure.
To departure, Delta 2697, see you.
Order 2946, contact Boston departure.
Departure, Porter 2946.
Iberia 6166 Heavy, runway 33 left, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, 33 left, Iberia 6166 Heavy, go ahead.
Delta 112 Heavy, runway 33 left, line up and wait, traffic landing runway 27, caution wait terminals, departing Heavy Airbus 330.
Line up and wait, 33 left, Delta 112. Iberia 6166 Heavy, climb and maintain 14,000. Climb and then 14,000, Iberia 6166 Heavy. 120.6, Iberia 6166 Heavy, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Don't Tower Japan 8 Heavy, 10 miles on final, runway 33 left.
Japan Air 8 Heavy, Boston Tower, runway 33 left, clear to land.
Runway 33 left, clear to land, Japan 8 Heavy.
Air France 333 Heavy, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 on Charlie.
Air France 333 Heavy, crossing 27 at Charlie.
Piedmont 6013, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 on Charlie.
Cross 27 on Charlie, Piedmont 6013.
Fairway 1390 on Echo, cross runway 4 right, hold short of runway 4 left, and contact ground point 9er.
On Echo, cross 4 right and hold short 4 left. Over to ground, we'll see you at Fairway 1390.
See you. Japan Air 8 Heavy, turn left on November, right on Bravo, contact ground point 9er.
November, right Bravo, ground point 9, Japan 8 Heavy.
Air France 333 Heavy, runway 33 left, line up and wait, traffic 5-mile final, runway 27. Air France 333 Heavy, runway 33 left, line up and wait, traffic 5-mile final, runway 27.
Lining up, 33 left, Air France 333 Heavy.
Protect 5739, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 on Charlie, traffic's on a 4-mile final.
Cross 27 Charlie, Brickyard 5739.
Air France 333 Heavy, runway 33 left, set for takeoff.
Taking off 33 left, Air France 333 Heavy.
218. Hold short of runway 27 for landing traffic.
Hold short to runway 27 for landing traffic at partial 20.
Piedmont 6013, runway 33 left, line up and wait. Traffic landing runway 27, caution runway turbulence, departing heavy air about 350.
33 left, line up and wait, beyond 6013.
Chaz 607, Boston Tower, runway 4 right, intersection Charlie, line up and wait. Traffic departing runway 33 left.
Line up and wait, 4 right at Charlie, Jazz 607, check out.
Bravo, hold short of Kilo, 0.
Trans 333, heavy contact, Boston departure.
Boston departure, good day.
Scandinavian 928, runway 33 left, set for takeoff.
33 left, clear to takeoff, come on in, 928.
Percat 4377, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 on Charlie.
Cross 27 on Charlie, Percat 4377.
Delta 512, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 on Charlie.
Cross 27 on Charlie, Delta 512.
KO 349, traffic holding on runway 33 left, runway 4 right, intersection Charlie, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading.
Runway 4 right, alright.
Special aircraft, it is Bravo's current Boston, altimeter 2996.